Yep, these big bad boys right here, the K&Ns. Give me a second, man. All right, man, welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome to the channel. Today's video is about the first mod that I'm going to do to my 2024 S650, and that mod is putting in the high flow air filters from K&N. Did a little research as far as that. It was either the K&N or the Steeder high flow air filters. A lot of guys say that they take out their carbon traps and carbon filter traps inside the tubing. From the research I've done, that serves no benefit. Does not increase the horsepower. It just has no benefit, right? So I'm not going to take out my carbon filters at this particular point of the mod. Now, at some point, when they make a system that is either aluminum or steel or whatever the case is for the tubing, I will probably switch the tubing out as far as for the air filter. But today, the mod is just, I'm going to install these two high flow filters. Give me a second. Once I pull over, I'll show you the two high flow filters. Stay tuned. Alright, here to go right here, the K&N high flow air filters. About to install them. Turn the camera back on once I'm done. Alright, man, we got them all changed out. Let's see if we notice any difference. And you know, it's all a placebo. I don't think it's gonna change the horsepower any, but at least it'll make me feel good. At least it'll let me know the car is breathing better. But hopefully everybody's having a great day, man. Again, show you this the old filters real quick. You see how small they are compared to the K&N, and as you can see, they're already dirty after only like 3,200 miles. So I guess they're doing their job. But also too, another package came. Gonna tint the tail lights out sometime this week as well. Trying to get these mods rolling. So for my first mod, it was definitely this high flow air filter. Alright, let's see. Different, but you know, it is what it is. And then, you know, once they come out with a tune for it. But yeah, it's just a quick video, man. First mod, high flow air filters by K&N. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Check my channel out, man. I got a lot of different videos, from Mopars to foreign cars to this S650. To the next video, man. Peace and blessings. I'm out.